Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to beat Isolde in Mobile Dungeon. Isolde is a legendary support hero with melee intelligence, making her tough because she heals allies, attacks multiple targets, and applies debuffs. She also has high lifesteal, gains shields at HP thresholds, and unleashes a big burst attack after charging, punishing players who rely solely on damage without sustain or control. To defeat her, focus on reducing her healing with abilities like healing reduction, anti-heal, or wound effects. Heroes like Frost Witch or Holy Knight work well for this. You can also burst her quickly before her lifesteal becomes a problem, using high DPS or executing skills combined with damage buffs. If burst isn't enough, try stunning her, interrupting her charge, or lowering her agility to control her attacks. Make sure your team is at a comparable level to Isolde to avoid unnecessary losses. The key is either to prevent her from attacking, negate her heals, or overpower her efficiently without prolonging the fight. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.